Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 8th July 2020. Students, chapter 4 is going on, and in my last class I have started exercise number 5. Okay, and there are 7 questions in exercise number 5. I have finished 2 questions. Okay, today I want to continue exercise 5 from question number 3rd. So look here, this is your chapter 4, factors and multiples. Okay, and this is your page number 1 of today's class. Okay, so students, let's continue from question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. In the book, question 3rd has been given, find the LCM by the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay, we will find out here LCM with the help of the prime factorization method. So A part of question number 3rd has been given. A part 16 and 20. Okay, so look the solution. How can we find out the LCM with the help of the prime factorization method? So here you will find out the prime factors of 16. So here you will write it, prime factors of 16 is equal to, same thing, prime factors of another number, and another number has been given here 20. Prime factors of 20 is equal to, so in the rough column you will create it 16, 2 8 is 16, then 2 4 is 8, then 2 2 is 4, then after that 2 1 is 2. Okay, so prime factors of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Clear, students? Then after that another number is 20. Same thing here, you will also find out the prime factors of 20. Then 20, 2 10 ja, 2 5 ja, then 5 1 ja. Remember here, students, when you want to prime factors, so you will start taking the prime factors from the smallest number. Okay, जिससे पहले डिवाइड होगा सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से आप प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालना शुरू करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हियर वी हैव फाइंड आउट factors, prime factors of 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Now look here, how can we get the LCM? Okay, therefore LCM, lowest common multiples. First you will check the common factor. Here common factor is this 2 into, then common factors is also 2 as like this, so here we will take 2. then common factors में से आपको एक ही बार इसे नोट करना है. then after that remaining numbers we will continue as like this. It means remaining factors are 2 into 2 in 16, and in 20 remaining factor are 5, so you will write it 5. Now you will multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, here 2 2s are 4, then after that remaining number, then 4 2s are 8, 8 into 2 into 5, then 8 2s are 16, 16 into 5, 16 5s are 80, so LCM is 80. So you will write the answer LCM, lowest common multiple, is equal to 80. Clear, students? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query. Now look the B part of this question. In B part, the numbers has been given 7 and 8. Okay, so same method you will applicable here, prime factorization method, because this is the part of question number 3rd also. So look here, again same method as like previous part. A part के according आप इसे solve करेंगे. Prime factors of 7, then prime factors of 8. So listen students, 7 is that number. 7 will be divisible by 1 or 7. At the time of the taking prime factors, when we will divide it from 1, so after that we will got the same 7. So here the prime factor of 7 is, you can write it 7. Okay, because you can see it in the rough column. 7, 7 1 just 7. Okay, so here prime factor of 7 is only 7. 8, 8, look here, 8, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 1 are 2. So factors of 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So here you can see it, there is no common number. In the previous A part there are the common numbers, and common number में हमने किसको, एक बार ही हमने सबको लिया था. And here in the B part of that question, question number 3, there is no common number, so we will write it as like this. जैसे है वैसे ही आपको एक साथ उतार लेना है, ठीक है. So in from next page, this is your page number 2 of today's class. So look here, this is page number 2. So therefore LCM is equal to factors of 7 is equal to 7, factors of 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, it has been also find out in the previous page. You can see it, 2 into 2 into 2, that is the factor of 8, and the factor of 7 is only 7. Okay, so you will write it here. So 7 2s are 14, 14 into 2 into 2, 14 2s are 28, 28 into 2, and 28 2s are 56. You can multiply it also. So after that you can also find out the 56. Okay, so that is your answer. Your answer LCM is equal to 56. Clear students? Now any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query without any type of the hesitation. Okay, so let's continue. C part. C part of this question is 3 and 7. I will provide to you in your homework. Okay students, then after that D part. Look the D part. In D part the numbers has been given 12 and 15. So we will find out the prime factors of 12, then after that we will find out the prime factors of 15. So look here, prime factors of 12 is equal to, then prime factors of 15 is equal to. So in the rough column you can get the prime factors in a easy way. So 12, 2 6 are 12, then 2 3 are 6, then 3 1 are 3. Okay, so you can write it here, prime factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3. Clear students? Then after that another number has been given here, 15. So here you will got the factors of 15. 15 is not divisible by 2, so here you will put 3, because 1 plus 3 is 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, so 6 is divisible by 3, so 3 5s are 15, 5 1 are 5. So factors of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Okay, therefore LCM, lowest common multiples, is equal to. So you can see it, what are the common number, common factor here 3. So 3 you will put as like this. Okay, first आप common number choose कर लो, so आपके लिए easy हो जाएगा. Then remaining numbers, 2 into 2 is not common. Then here in the prime factors of 15, 5 is also not common, so you will put it only here. So now you will multiply it. 3 2s are 6, 6 into 2 is into 5, then 6 2s are 12, 12 into 5, then 12 5s are 60. So 60 is your LCM. So you can write the answer LCM is equal to 60. Clear students? Now any doubt? E part. Look the E part. E part numbers has been given 15 and 20. I will also provide to you in your homework. Okay, so 15 and 20 E part you will solve in your homework. Okay, students. Now look the F part. F part numbers has been given 21 and 28. Okay, students. There are the two numbers has been given 21 and 28. So first you find out the prime factors of 21 is equal to. So look here in the rough column. You can also find out it. 21. You know about that 21 will be divisible by firstly lowest number with 3. 3 7 ja 21 and 7 is also divisible by 7. So 3 7 ja 21 and 7 1 ja 7. So prime factors of 21 is equal to 3 into 7. Then after that you will also find out the prime factors of 28. So look here. Prime factors of 28 is equal to, same method you will applicable, 28 2 1 ja 2 2 4 ja, then 2 7 ja, then 7 1 ja, 2 into 7. You can also check it that your factor is correct or incorrect. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28. So it means factors of 28 is also correct, and 3 7 ja 21, you know it. Okay, then therefore LCM is equal to, first you find out the common factors. Common factors are 7, so we will put the 7 here, then remaining number 3 here and here 2 into 2. Okay, 7 3s are 21, 21 into 2 into 2 is equal to 42 into 2. Then students, next page, because the page has been finished, so PTO. Okay, you can put the PTO and then now turn the page. This is your page number 3 of today's class, and in the last page you have also multiplied it. 42 into 2 is equal to 84 is equal to 84. So you will write the answer LCM is equal to 84. Clear, students? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query without any hesitation. Okay. Now students, G part. In G part the numbers has been given 30 and 45. Okay. Same method. Prime factors of 30, then prime factors of 45. You can find it. You can see the factors in rough column. 30 will be divisible by 2. So 2 15, then 15, 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5. So factors of 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Clear? Then after that you will find out the factors of 45. 45 3 से जाएगा बेटा, 3 1 जा 3, 3 5s are 15, then 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are. Okay. So now the factors of 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. So therefore LCM is equal to, first you find out the common factors. Here you can see it, the common factors are 3, 3 and 5 and 5. So you will put it here 3 into 5. Then after that remaining factors 2 into 3. 3 5s are 15, 15 into 2 into 3. Then after that 15 2s are 30, 30 into 3. 33s are 90. Okay. So therefore your answer LCM is equal to 90. Clear, students? Any doubt? Then after that, last part of this question, H. I will also provide to you in your homework. So number has been given here 12 and 18, and this will be in your homework. So students, question number 3 has been finished now. If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query without any hesitation. Okay. Now students, question number 4. Look the question number 4. In question number 4, it has been given, find the LCM by the division method. In the previous question you have solved it on the basis of the prime factorization method. Now this is the method relates on the division. Okay, so remember and listen it also carefully and look here. Okay, so A part of question number 4 has been given 21 and 35. Okay, so look here, how can we find out the LCM? You can use the division method in your fair side. Okay, so look here, when you want to find out the LCM with the help of the division method, so you will solve it as like this. Here you will also take the smallest prime number. That prime number will be divisible to 21 or 35 और both. ऐसा आपको प्राइम नंबर चूज करना है, सेलेक्ट करना है स्मॉलेस्ट, जो या तो 21 को काट दे या 35 को काट दे. काटने मीन्स क्या, डिवाइड कर दे फुल विदाउट एनी टाइप ऑफ द रिमाइंडर. ओके, या दोनों को कर दे. सो हियर यू कैन सी 2 + 1 = 3 एंड 3 से ये जा रहा है, देन 3 and +5 8. इट मीन्स 21 हमारा 3 से जाएगा, पहले 2 से कुछ नहीं जाएगा. सो सबसे छोटा हम यहाँ क्या लेंगे, 3 प्राइम फैक्टर्स. 3 7 जा 21. 35 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाई 3, सो 35 को हम एज इट इज उतार लेंगे. देन आफ्टर दैट नाउ 7 भी 3 से नहीं जाएगा, 35 भी 3 से नहीं जाएगा, 4 से भी नहीं जाएंगे. ओके, सो वी विल टेक द नेक्स्ट प्राइम फैक्टर 5. 5 से चला जाएगा. 5 7 डिवाइड नहीं हो तो 7 को एज इट इज आप कॉपी करेंगे. देन आफ्टर दैट 5 7 जा 35. ओके, 5 से हम 35 में डिवाइड करेंगे, तो सो वी विल गॉट द 7 बिकॉज 5 7 जा 35. So after that here we can see the remaining numbers, here also 7, here also 7, and you know about that 7 will be divisible by 7 only. 7 जो नंबर होता है वो आपका सिर्फ 7 से ही डिवाइड होता है. सो 7 से आप डिवाइड करेंगे, 7 1 जा 7, 7 1 जा 7. Therefore LCM is equal to that numbers you have find out 3 into 5 into 7. 3 5s are 15, 15 into 7. So now you know about that 15 7s are 105. Okay, so you can write answer LCM is equal to 105. So students, you have seen about that there are the different types of the methods to find out the LCM. Yesterday in the yesterday class you have also studied about that with the help of the multiples, common multiples you have got the LCM. Okay, then after that you have also studied yesterday with the help of the number line you have also find out the LCM. Today you have studied about that with the help of the prime factors, prime factorization method you have find out the LCM. Now this is based on the division method. Clear students? Students, if you have any doubt then you can ask the query without any type of the hesitation. Okay, so now move the next question. This is your page number 4 of today's class. Okay, so now we will start the B part of question number 4. B part of question number 4 has been given B 42 and 56. So division method, it means you will applicable that method 42 and 56. You know about that 42, in 42 the ones number is 2, so it will be divisible by 2, and in 56 ones number is 6, so it is also divisible by 2. So we will divide it with the help of the 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. We have divided it. हमने यहाँ इसे डिवाइड किया है 2 से. ओके, आप चाहें तो इसे रफ में डिवाइड करके देख सकते हैं, हमने यहाँ डिवाइड किया. देन 21 will not be divisible by 2, but 28 is also divisible by 2, so we will take the 2 here. 21 नहीं डिवाइड होगा तो एज इट इज इसे कॉपी करेंगे. 28 डिवाइड हो जाएगा, सो 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8. देन आफ्टर दैट 21 and 14 has come, so you will divide it 2 21 and 2 7s are 14. Then here you can see it. Now 7 you have got after division 14. Okay, so students, 21 is also here. 7 will not divisible by 3, but 21 is also divisible by 3, so 3 7s are 21 7 7. Remember students, हमको जो सीक्वेंस लेना है वो छोटे डिजिट से आगे आना है. Here you cannot take the 7. ओके, हियर यू कैन टेक द 7. ओके, मतलब हमने फर्स्ट में पहले क्या लिया, पहले 2 को हमने लिया, देन 3, देन 7. इट मीन्स धीरे धीरे करके हमको नंबर को इंक्रीज करना है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो नाउ यू विल फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम. देयरफॉर एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now you can multiply it. 2 to the 4, 4 into 2 into 3 into 7, 4 to the 8, 8 into 3 into 7. Then after that 8 3 the 24, 24 into 7, then 24 into 7. You can multiply it. 2 7 4 the 28, then 7 4 the 14, 7 to the 14, 14 plus 2 16. So your LCM is 168. So you can write the answer LCM is equal to 168. Students, if you have any doubt, then you can ask the query. Okay, I am ready to solve your query. Okay.